Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always mesh and lace. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference and it's getting better. Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike. It's Mojo Day Trading video recap for today. And it is Thursday the 18th, looking solid today in the Mojo room. We're completely done for the day. And let me show you what went on with the day trading today. Very nice. In the Mojo Day Trading room, we had, let's see, here was the poll this morning at 9:40 a.m. People were done for the day. They made between 1 to 5% on their account. 24 people did who took the poll, 50% of the room. A couple people have not yet hit their goal, but I'm sure they did now. 2 people actually made between 5 and 10%, and everybody else paper trading made money. There was one guy on the bottom that indicated paper trading lost and probably new to the room. But that's what happened on today. Here is the Mojo Day Trading room for the day. Let me show you what we've got. Some updated numbers. Allen's up to 1,998. Collins up to 895. Chad's up to 1,852. And Bananas at 1,442. Very nice. Earlier in the day at around 9:40 this morning, people had indicated also that were here. They had made their money and left. Let's see here. Sarjeet made 220. That's pretty much it. So a couple of I got to go to work. Made 1960 real early, and then my aide made 1,063. Yeah, made a 362. Made 1,798, 720, 679, 120, 1413, 1960, 17, 170, 250, 455, 510, $923. Great job, everybody. That's how we trade in the Mojo room. So the trades that were done for today, we're in a V-band break on Zomas. Our last trade we're in right now. It's the same price. The one we did that was TGTX before that at 1630 at 1116. Did a V-band break, bought more at 1607 and then added at 15. Sold it at 1642, 54, 1671, and then 1719. Here's TGTX. Check out this trade. PGTX right here at 1142. Let me get the time. The time was 11:17 that we bought that. So at 11:17, it was probably right here, right in that first bar. And then it quadrupled really nice up to 1778. That was a great trade for Mojo. We bought it and we rail grind that thing for the last 100 shares up to 1719. So anything higher than that, it's just we don't care about. But the 1709 and 1719, that's some good trading. So, you know, what makes the Mojo room so great are trades like that. And there's one moderator, myself, calling them out. People don't have to rely on other traders or people that don't know what they're doing calling out picks. Because, listen, my room does that. There's another room that did a video yesterday. Say, hey, you know, SGYP yesterday. My room bought that thing yesterday. Check this thing out at, let me show you. The low was 605. It went to 797. They're like, we bought it at 625, and with a 25-cent stop, it never touched that. Of course it didn't. And the stock went to 797. That's why my room is so great, because we've got traders in here that are picking stocks like this, and they go, well, give me a break. Yeah, that kind of trade would stop the world. Give me a break. That's a killing. People don't make killings like that in the stock market. So selling for profits are the most important things, because you see stocks like SGYP. We did the trade today. We made great money in it. So here's the stock today. So let's say you bought here and you didn't sell. It came down a little bit. You bought here, didn't sell, it came down. Bought here, didn't sell, it came down. Bought here, didn't sell, it came down. So that's what you're doing. You're not like that one higher. That's like 2 out of 100. Good traders don't go for killings and look for big scores. So we did SGYP. We bought yesterday right here. And you'll see as I go through the day trade log today, Mojo's trade on SGYP was right here at 607. We sold it right here up to 685. After that, the stock went to 797. Okay, so the same thing happened today with TGTX. After we sold it at 719, the stock went all the way up to 1778. So great job. What I did was I noted in my journal. I don't have a picture going on, but I noted in my journal today about those 2 trades and how I could maximize the profits a little bit better. Great job, Steve. 1,500 for the day. Nice job. And it's only lunchtime, but we were done earlier. So I'm going to take some trades right here. I'm going to update the sheet for today. And we're going to take SGYT pre-market at 820, average 818, and we sold it up. You'll see. So the first trade we did today on the 18th was SGYP. So I'm going to take it here on the 18th. I'm going to put it in here, SGYP. We filled 820, average 818 for number 1. Goals 2,000. We're going to sell 30. Sold 1,500. Got 500 left. Okay, so we bought it at 820, sold it at 830, and got some left. This is what we called a lemon squeeze. We were going to squeeze. Actually, this was a pre-market. This was our pre-market trade. Done. You know, in other rooms are like, you know, I show my P&L, I show what we got going on. Listen, I don't have to show my P&L. You want to see P&L? There you go. Alan made 1,998. Colin made 895. Banana made 142, and Steve made 1,550. There's your P&L. What does it matter what I do personally? It's what the room does. That's what's important. Trend trade on Nugget. We're going to buy the open and sell the close just as we had done yesterday. Yesterday on Nugget, we bought the open and sold the close and made over 50 cents. This is going to be a trend trade. I got 10-10. See what it does by the end of the day. Yesterday it did really good. We bought it at 920, sold it at 970. So then we have AXPY. We're going to buy here. We're going to lemon squeeze right here, 20, and sell it into the 22. It's a nice trade play on that. AXPW this morning, 20 to 21. We'll just call it a nice little trade. And that's what we call the lemon squeeze. With a lot of shares, people made good money on that, real good money on that. You don't, oh, look at that little penny they scalped for. Well, look how much money people made on that trade. AXPW, where is it? This morning, AXPW, woo, right here. Quick $250 on that one. That was a different one. That was SGYP. Quick $80 over here. Everyone's making quick bucks. Quick bucks count. Okay, so that worked out nice. Let me finish this up. So then we have SGYP. We're going to rebuy here at 817. SGYP, we sold up at 30. We're going to rebuy it back at 17. And that's what you call a stop. SSRI to Heinz, 675. Second. 696. Okay, so you got SSRI, 675, 680 to 690, easy dime. Sell now at 831 from the SGYP. So we sold it at 831. We're going to rebuy it back at 15 and 18 again. 816. DGLY, we're going to go for a play at 20. The average was actually 10 that we got on that. DGLY, 1510. Didn't make any money on DGLY. DGLY is now 1522. Made nothing really on that. That was just a regular trade play. Then we have SGYP. Again, take them now at 795 on SGYP. Okay, so SGYP, we lowered the average to 807. Sold 808. Everybody would have lost there because you bought it 818 and 15 and it dropped them to 795, which were the stops. We took them and broke out even and sold, got a little bit left right here, 200 at 33 and a little bit left flat at 40. So we actually made just a couple of pennies on that. Nickel's fine. AXPW sold 21 plus. SGYP last trade sold 28.33 flat 40. We're going to go 37.38 small and sell it at 43. A nice trade. SGYP sold 43. SGYP stopping station taking 500 under 30. SGYP sell half. So we're taking here under 30, sold 40 and sold 49. $8.27 stopping station. $8.46 average sale, 19 cents on that one. TGTX was our next one. That was a V band. That was one of our best trades of the day. It presented itself. Average was 16.18. Sold up 42, 54, and 64. Sold 71 and 17 on average. Sale about 16.70. Made a nice 60 cents on that trade. V band on the Zoma. I have an average cost on Zoma of 381. Bought it twice already. That's our new one we're in right now. Let's take a look where they're at. So we're up the trade right here on the day. Zoma 381. Let's take a look. Zoma is now 383 going through the high of the day. Nugget, we've got a trend trade on. We still have that one. And that's pretty much it, what we've got going on right here for the Mojo room. So that's for today. I got to go update yesterday's. Great job today, everyone. Pro Trader Mike is going to be definitely done here for the day. I'm going to go enjoy a great lunch. Let me go through the trades from yesterday. So here is the day trading log from yesterday. Okay, here we go. So you have here, same log, This is the history of the room announcements from yesterday, June 17th. So we're going to fill in some trades. I didn't record yesterday. I got to catch up. First trade, Jivo, fill it now. 98.99, filled 4, selling 402, 404, 405, 4010, 408. Done. Great job, Jivo, right off the open. Right through Hines. Jivo started buying at 398, 399, and we sold it at 406. Beautiful 7 cents. Sold it at 10, sold it at 8. Then we're going to get back in at 4 and double it up at 95. Average 98 for the second tap. That's the stopping station. 398. A CRMD long 560, 70, and 80. So we got long at 60. CRMD at 60. CRMD. It's just a little in-between buy for a sequence. And then we're going to go mobile at 698. Mobile average 7. Nugget at 9. Jivo, it sold at 402. Second tap is fine for 4 cents. CRMD waiting for hires only on another 500 mobile. 7. ARTX small at 3. ARTX, $3. Right there, 297. That's where we filled it. Jivo, take 391 and 392 because we sold at 402. So let's take Jivo back at 391. On the bid buy in there, ARTX buy 287.83. So we got 290. SGYP 627 to 32. Here's the trade on SGYP. So we started at 627 to 32. People that put in a 20-cent stop got stopped out. Mobile average sold 705. Didn't make much, but didn't lose. All right. Mobile rebuying back 97.98, average 97. SGYP, double it up at 607. Then I added 2,000 more. So that was the 605 that you saw. So we had an average of 614. Mobile taking the stop 677 to 82. SGYP selling 619. SGYP flat 626. It's an average sale price of 22. Okay, mobile sold 691. Free, all in, 11.58. Free is an all-in trade play. At 11.58. Let's just say it's 12. SGYP, great job, above 630. Great job. Okay, we sold 622. CRMB bump trade, 520. Puts me at 30. Jivo. And let's go. This is a CRMD is a bump. And people say, hey, you got to win in 9 out of 10, but that one loser, yes. Let's say I buy, and then I'm maxed in. I got 10,000 shares, which is my max position. I have a 10% stop loss on the equity on the trade. So if I got $5,000, I'm only going to lose $500. Okay? Because I could make 10% back every day on my account. So if I happen to take a bad loss and I lose 10% and I get bad on the trade, yes, I'm not going to blow up my whole account. I'll lose 10% of the account, but I make 5 to 10% every day. So do the math. CRMD sold half, 525, 526. Great job. CRMD flat, 538, 39, 40. Great bump trade. Everybody else would have lost there from 560. We made a nickel. Evo sold 395. Adding now on Nugget 901. Same price. Gevo rebuy smaller 389. Gonna do it again. 89. Adding Nugget 907. So now the average goes to 903. Zyop filled 1149. Mini Hines, Zyop 1149. Mini Hines trade play. Filled 1144. Filled 1149 is an average of 1146. Free sold half at 12. We made nice money on free. Made a point, but should we put this at 11 just so it shows 1 penny? Great trade. AXPF Gonzo 19 squeeze. The Gonzo trade play. I teach all these trade plays in MOJO University. AXPW Gonzo squeeze at 19. CYBR, watched it go from 73 to 76 yesterday. Oh, nice. Nugget, we've got a box on it. Selling at 906. The bottom's 898. ARTX, 1,000 at 79 and 80. SGYP out of control at 681. Oh, well, we missed a little bit. Shorted at 681 to 85 entry. Okay, so we're going to short it now because it's out of damn control. Went from 622 to 681. So what we're going to do is we're going to short it now. 684. Nugget filled 898. So we 902. CRMD scale and stopping station 527. Nugget adding at 9. AXPW, there it goes, average 195. SPGYT fill short number 3 is planned at 693. So SGYP short is 688. AXPW sold 06 and 08. Okay. Oh, man. So we got a 27 sale price on AXPW. SGYP cover up at 680. Half. That's the short sale. Sold 21 on SGYP. 3/4. Uh, 138. I think that's the free. AXPW flat gray trade. CRMD added at 520. AXPW flats. SGYP covered the rest at 74. Nice 10-cent short. Givo sold half, 395 from 89. Zyop starting a small position here at 1160. Zyop sold half, 1164. Lemon squeeze. It was a big ass. We squeezed it. CRMD, add 507, sell 15. It's exactly what we did. At a 514, I sold it at 514. I'd say that was a small little bump. I sold 907 on Nugget from 902. Rebuying Nugget 907 here. I sold at 907, rebuying it back at 894. Zyop flat 1173. Average made 9 cents. Twitter long, Heinz 35 sequence. We're going to buy 75, 80, and 85 and 90. Twitter filled 36.66. Average actually was 36.57. 898 added on Nugget. Twitter adding at 34.30 to 35. That's why I got it to 57. Nugget gray trade 937 sold right from 894. It rocketed. We made 43 cents on Nugget on that one. And sold 930. Selling more, holding 1,000, getting back at 47. Sold 945. So we got about 939 sale price. Got 1,000 left, sold it at 53. I'll take 45 cents. Then we sold at the end of the day our trend trade at 975. So this was here. It was 907. No, it was 922. And it was sold at 972. That's the trend trade. It was bought in the beginning of the day. It was sold at the close. Let me see what Twitter did yesterday. Some people made money. Let me see what it did. Went to 34.92. Closed at 34.70. Went to 34.93. Let me get the time on the Twitter. Twitter was here it is at 11:07. It was on this V-band break right here. And then we bought more on this dip right here. And then that was the end of it. And then it got crushed. Well, took a loss on Twitter. Good deal. I took a loss on ARTX also yesterday. Lost on ARTX on the 17th. Lost on Twitter on the other. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So here's the day trade. All right, let's see what we got. So we got for the month, I'm gonna start my new journal soon. Here's the MOJO Trading Journal. Got 1, 2 losses, 3 losses, 3 losers. Which ones did I lose? I lost on a stop, a stop, a stop, another stop, a bump. Gotcha. All right, great. Was IOP to 1157. Here's the sheet. Zoma is still not doing anything. And that's pretty much it. The Nuggets pretty much not doing anything either. Still the same. So we got the Nugget and we got the Zoma. We have 192, 193. 195 trades for the month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losers. Take it. Average trade is 12 cents. Great job, everybody. Let's go to the swing. Swing trading, we're doing really well in for this month. I closed out today in the swing. MNGA, 3/4 of the position's been closed at 120. ADAT closed out 1/4.5 at 21 and 22. Nugget closed out at 10.25. ACI closed out at 45. And that's it. Great job. DSK went higher today. Excellent month, everybody. Thank you. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Everyone keep it profitable. Thank you for watching my video recaps. Peace. See you tomorrow. Wrapped in a state of